Oh, good morning, people. Good morning, good morning, good morning, nation. Hey, man, y'all already know the lingo. Let's get it going, man. Let's go ahead and grow this channel, dog. I'm tired of playing, y'all. Let's go ahead and grow this channel, man. Y'all know the lingo, man. Please consider subscribing, man. Go ahead and comment. Go ahead and like, man. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be pushing out the vlogs. I'm gonna try to do it bike to bike. Y'all know what bike to bike mean, no? I know what bike to bike mean, because I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do it. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Man, whew, I got up a little late this morning. It's okay though, it's okay. I got up, well, it ain't late, but I got up a little later than usual. Say that. Man, head to the workout. I'm finna go ahead, man, knock this little day out. Man, I ain't even vlog no more yesterday after I was vlogging. Man, I had a flat. And man, I want to fight for real. Like this man just did some dumb stuff. But anyway, man, like they sitting over there, man, on 3 wheels. But anyway, man, it's raining. I ain't vlog. I started vlogging yesterday. I should have vlogged it, but then I was just trying to get back to Memphis, man. I was in Arkansas, man. I had a flat, so I had to go ahead and get on back. I ain't even vlog, man. I was like, man, what the world? Look at this, look at this, look at this. Look. I ain't even got to work yet. Look. Yeah, I can't even see it. Hold on. Straight. Y'all see that? Yeah. You can't see it. I don't focus. Okay. Y'all see it. I don't even know how that happened. I ain't even got to work yet, bro. Like, this crazy. The truck didn't hit him because the truck's sitting beside him. So I don't know what they hit. But anyway. Go ahead and get to work, man. Get to this truck, and I will pick the camera up in a minute. Hey, this kind of fun too, cause it allows me to take all this stuff out of my camera that I don't need, because the space is filling up fast. I only got one memory card, and I'm gonna keep it that way because I don't want to be unorganized and have all this stuff everywhere, and then I can't find it, and I'm looking for it. I don't like that. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna keep on taking stuff out this camera that I don't need, that I've already posted. That's what I will do. But yeah, that's what we get with. Big Dog YouTube, man. Below Nation, man, to the front, man. Y'all know what's going on. Don't mind my nose, I got allergies. And this time of the year, well shit, all times of the year, tearing my ass up. It's okay. It's okay. It's definitely okay. Truck Chronicles. I don't know what's going on as far as this wreck, but y'all can see this car right here, right by the that Ford Taurus right there by the gray police car. They just flipped that car back over, and it's another car in front of that car, and it's completely flat. So I don't know. It don't like that car got a top on it no more. So I don't know what happened. I don't know what's what. But they got, y'all see they got the helicopter over there. Focus. Okay, they moved. So I don't know. I don't think, because all the paramedics and all this stuff is still here. So like, I don't even know if anybody survived, because
the helicopter is here. Like, if somebody had to be airlifted, like, they'd been gone by now. And I'm sure that the ambulance and all that stuff would have been gone by now. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I'll pick the camera back up, man, once I know something, I guess. Alright, y'all, so that right there is a car. Beside that red truck right there, that's a car. And the car that's on the wrecker, it was what they took off of that car. They took somebody over to the helicopter, but they didn't make it. They put a sheet over them, so. And the guy just told me, oh, it's a more. Is this some more? Because they taking the gurney over there. I mean, they taking the thing over there again, so I don't know if it's some more people, but here go the car coming towards me. It flipped over. I don't know what this car right here's involvement is. But yeah, they put whoever they took to the helicopter, they put the sheet on them. Put the bag, I guess they put them in the bag or whatever, so they didn't make it. Yeah, I still don't even know what that little car right there is. It ain't much left of it, whatever it is. So, yeah. Putting the car up on the tow truck, I still can't tell what it is. It's a small car though. But like I said, the guy said that Ford Taurus was flipped over on top of that car some kind of way. I don't know how that happened, but which I seen it when they flipped it back over. I don't know. I'm trying to think what kind of car it is. It look like a little Mazda or something. And I seen I think it had a T-top on it, I think. They threw the top back on the car. Or is it a Corvette? Old Corvette, I can't tell. That's the glass from it. Put the glass back on. So yeah, like I said, there is one that I did see. Well, the ambulance is gone. I think it was someone in the back of the ambulance. One person in the helicopter, but they put the sheet over them though. The sheet and the bag. So I don't think that was good. I guess we'll see what kind of car it is when they roll past us. The tow truck if he come this way. That right there is the door of the car, and they just went and got. I guess it's an old Corvette, look like. But they just went and picked that door up from. I can't put my finger. They went and picked the door up from over there in like the ditch-like area. It's like an old Corvette now that I got it on the camera. I still can't see, like from my naked eye, like I can't tell what it is. But like they picking up parts from that car, like away from the car. That's crazy. just like, man, that's my kinfolk. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't. So I can't even imagine the heartache and pain that family going through right now. To get that phone call, like, yeah, such and such ain't coming home no more. He's been in an accident and he ain't make it. Like, bro, that's tough, bro. That's tough. But, man. Let me go ahead, man, and get to where I need to be safely, so. I guess I'm gonna close the video out right there, man. That's enough for me for one day. I'll let y'all in the next one.